Welcome back in this session. So today's topic is the how to change the build number manually. So normally we observe that the build are sequencing the comes from the 1 to an incremental order. So let's try to understand how to change build number. So if I'm working on the some specific sequence and I want the build number trigger from the some specific number. For example, my current build number is 5 and I want to start the next build number should comes from the 15. So how do I change that build number? Let's have a look. So before that, let's have a trigger sum of build over here. So I'm just triggering build and let's refresh this one. Let's go in a project. So there are 4 build. I'm still triggering 1, 2 more. Okay. So now number is 7 and I want to trigger the build from number 100. So how do I set? So for that we need to go in the configuration of Jenkins. So in manage Jenkins, we have to go script console. So this script console is there, and we have to update our script console using this string where we are getting the item name. So project name. So our current project name is the demo. So we have to pass that project name is demo, and the update next build number. So this is the main things from which number you want to trigger. So we want to trigger from number 100. So let's run this string over here. Okay, let's go back to Jenkins home and let me trigger this next one. So currently we are on build number 7. Next should be triggered from build number 100. So let's trigger this one. Okay, so next trigger is 100. Let's try one more. It should comes from 8 or 101. So it will start from the 100 to next incremental order. So if you want to change, you can change from any number. This is a simple string where you are updating your job. So this is your project name demo and your next update build number. So this is the update next build number is a string which you are updating over here. So this is a number which you want to update.